I love the changed Jaden Adams. In the past couple of weeks, I've been observing Sundowns and how they want to use Jaden Adams.
Yeah.
Jaden Adams changed and won the game for Sundowns. Forget the fact that he headed the ball from his corner and scored 1-1. The fact that, so he started as a defensive midfield. In the previous game, he was a defensive midfielder. In the previous game before that, he was a defensive midfielder as well. He is not a defensive midfielder. That kid is actually very good. He's got a nose for scoring goals.
Yeah.
He's a so like or surprise Moriri like type of a midfielder. He gets in the box very late and he scores goals. What you saw was, and I said to Ubobo that it is possible that in the dressing room, there must either been Utebza who sacrificed himself or coach ukuthi, can I have Jaden in front of me and I'll go behind him, or Ronwen Williams would have been that person, or Coach Steve Compella, because the disadvantage with foreign coaches is that because Miguel Cardoso was in Tunisia when Jaden was doing well at Stellenbosch,
Yeah.
he won't know that detail. This is a kid who goes in the box very late and scores goals. Immediately when he was playing in front as a number 8, in front of Utebza, played 1-2 with Morena, creating goal scoring opportunities. There were 2 or 3 opportunities that Morena was free, alone, that is shot off target, sometimes straight to the goalkeeper, or sometimes it was blocked. It was coming from Jaden. Jaden starts the ball in midfield, plays a 1-2 with his teammate. He takes it to the forward. Either Ushalulile or he goes to Morena. Eventually, when he scores the goal, I was like, yes, that's it. That's the position that kid needs to play. I was so excited for him. Jaden, it was him who was not performing at Sundowns, and he deserved to be benched. But it's not his fault when he's played in the wrong position. And today he reclaimed it. He reclaimed number 8 in the game. He didn't come as a substitute. Bamgale is a defensive midfielder. And then in the second half, they switched him to play in front of Utebza. And you could see him playmaking. He was buzzing. And this is the kid that was knocking on the door of Ibafana Bafana. And I love it. I love it. Welcome back. I would love to see you playing more there. And congratulations as well to whoever convinced the coach at halftime to say, please play this kid in front of Debza. Whether it was Debza himself or the senior players or Coach Steve, whoever knows that player, because his skill is to play in front of goal. Mamelodi Sundowns won the second half of that game. It's not even a debate. They should have won the game 2-1.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.